Welcome to the Bubbalou headquarters, maker of the world's finest space-saving spice racks. I'm Scott, the director of Do-It-Yourself, and I'm going to give you a behind-the-scenes tour to show you where all the magic happens. Let's go inside and see who's hard at work. Oh, the chairman's here today. How are things going, Chairman? And CEO Lou is in his executive office where all the important decisions get made. Hi, boss. Over here is the design and operations department where I work. It's the total control center that keeps the Bubbalou machine humming. Quality is job one at Bubbalou. I can often be found in the quality lab where it is my responsibility to ensure that our products meet the highest standards. Here is the break room, where staff bond over our mission to sell the world's finest spice racks. I am tasked with cleaning the break room and also make sure to clean the executive bathroom every day. I hope Lou notices. Out back is the warehouse and distribution center. Pearl's office is in the warehouse, and from there she patrols the property, keeping a watchful eye over all operations. Out here, it is my job to make sure product is in stock and orders are fulfilled right away so customers can receive their spice racks quickly. So there you have it, working hard to raise your spice storage game.